learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Following the decline of the forestry and mining industries in Miaoli County's Nanchuang, the ecology of the local mountain forests has regained its original splendor. That's why every April, during the firefly season, the forests come alive at night with the illumination of thousands of fireflies. Nanchuang is also home to the Punglai Creek, the first protected stream for fish in Miaoli County. The creek has become a tourist attraction, with many enjoying the adjacent 2.4-kilometer trail. Starting out from the Yong'an Suspension Bridge, you'll pass Chengtanjian, and from there can follow the signs to trace your tracks back to the starting point.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And all month, this month, we're taking you to a particular city or county, introduce the local culture there, and we're going to go to somewhere that we're very familiar with, or Leo is very familiar with, and that is苗栗，对不对？
嘿，苗栗
That is 苗栗 County. 我们去苗栗的哪儿呢？
来去那个南庄好了。
哦，这我知道，南庄嘛，
风景很漂亮。
对，
但是如果你晚上去，你可能在有些季节会看到一种很漂亮的小动物。
不是小松鼠啦，对不对？
当然不是，比这小松鼠再小一点。
你这样子让我回忆起来了。那时候有人跟我讲说要去那边看萤火虫。
对，
我没有看到。
就是萤火虫，尤其4月份就是萤火虫季啊。那4月份去南庄最好了。
Next month, April, perfect timing to watch all those fireflies. OK， 顺便教大家怎么说萤火虫呢？
萤火虫它的讲法跟那个英文的讲法其实还蛮像的，
Really?
叫做火焰虫。
火焰虫。
对，
火焰虫。
对，就是火焰虫。
OK, that literally is a firefly. OK， 那我想必到那边除了散散步欣赏这些萤火虫，要露营应该也可以吧？
露营当然可以啊，那边的风景那么漂亮，然后呢，温度又刚刚好，你看露营起来多舒服啊！
露营怎么说呢？
露养。
露养 OK, that's how you say camping. All right, let's review some of these terms. First of all, it's 苗栗南庄。
苗栗南庄。
苗栗南庄 And there's the firefly. 萤火虫。
火焰虫。
火焰虫 And you can do some camping, 露营。
露养。
露养 And that is all again over in Miaoli at Nanzhuang. And this might be the season to catch some beautiful fireflies. 萤火虫应该是要傍晚或者晚上去看萤火虫，应该最漂亮的时候。
对呀，是越夜越美丽哦。
That's right. It gets more beautiful during the nighttime. And there you go. Another edition of Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.